students, and welcome to CHEM 2300. In this video, I want to show you how to log into Canvas and a little bit about how to use Canvas. If you're using the link that I sent out, you can just click on that directly to access the course. You can also access it from the CSUB homepage by going to Current Students, then scrolling down and clicking on Canvas. It'll prompt you to log in with your CSUB email and login information. This is the same information that you would use to log into my CSUB. Once you've logged into Canvas, you should see this dashboard, which should show all of your courses in Canvas. So you can click on the course. You can also access it through the Courses tab here and click on it that way. Either way should get you to the course. This is what the course looks like when you're logging in. You can see the link to the course introduction page, which is where I recommend you start. You can also scroll down and see all of the information for the class Zoom meetings, information on what the different formats are like, and then the direct links to chapter pages. These aren't activated yet, but I will activate them as I post each of the chapter pages. At the bottom, you should also see some useful course links. So you can start by going to the course introduction page, and that will get you going. Other ways to get around the course are to check out, for example, the assignments tab. That'll show all of your upcoming assignments. And you can see so far that I've got several of the sapling homeworks in there. They're not all quite in. And I've got the dates and times for all of the quizzes and midterm exams. And I will add the sapling homeworks as we go. Also, you can see some practice problems in there, and I'll post practice problems for each chapter. Going back up, you can access the discussions through this tab. And you can see that we've already got a list of general questions, and you can always add questions to the list. Grades tab would be where you check out your grades. There's nothing there yet, of course. Macmillan Learning is one way to get to sapling. You can also get to sapling through this modules page. And the modules page pretty much has all of the useful links that you need. You can see here's the course introduction and everything you need to get started. As you scroll down, here's information about sapling learning. And then you can see that there's some information on chapter 1, which is what we'll be focusing on during weeks 1 and 2. Another place to check out, you can also access all the pages here by going to View All Pages. And you can go to a page directly. You are also going to want to access the syllabus and read the syllabus. And there's a lot of links and other information here in the syllabus. You can see all of the information that you need, and we'll also go over this during class. The last thing you want to check out is the Zoom page. You should be able to see the Zoom links to all of the sections. You're welcome to attend any section that you would like, although hopefully the one you're enrolled in is the one that you're going to attend most regularly. These are all set to record, so once the recordings are available, they should show up over here on the right. I think that's everything you need to get started. If you have any questions before class starts next week, please shoot me an email, or better yet, ask using discussions. See you next week.